What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Kiso Wavy back with another video that just feels so good to say again, man. Welcome back. I haven't posted a video in 6 months. Actually, that had a purpose behind it. The purpose behind it was I had to figure out what structure I wanted for my channel. I wanted to figure out like the direction I actually wanted to go with this. But y'all still been liking, subscribing, commenting, all that good stuff. So I really appreciate y'all. But we about to turn it up a lot. I've shot so many videos over the past few months. Not all of them are gonna actually touch the channel, just because of the fact that some of it won't make sense, because as you will see in this video, or saw in this video, depending on if I put this at the beginning or the end, the car is different. The car is wide bodied now. You'll notice I don't have wheels up there, but there's other modifications to the car that you might not pay attention to, or even if you did see it, you still want to see like how it got there. First off, shout out to Ian, Steve, and anybody else who had anything to do with what you're seeing right now. So me and Ian, which is my guy, we actually wide bodied my car in his garage at his house. This build, I wanted to have something to do with everything that I do to the car. So I wanted to be very hands-on with this entire build. I didn't want to take it anywhere to have any kind of work done. And I actually haven't until right now. The car is actually not here. The wide body is done. My wheels are ordered. Only thing that I did not, car is being painted right now. Reason for that is I have a 2013 Subaru BRZ, satin pearl white. Well, it was satin pearl white. Just because it was 2013, my car actually came from up north. No, I don't have any rust issues. But because it's older. The car is about to be 8 years old at this point. I definitely just wanted to sand the whole car down and just start completely over. And I went with a really wild color, which y'all are gonna see in probably the next week or so, because I get the car back on the 9th or the 10th. Or have noticed just certain things are different. I got my own place now. Yes, I'm still in Virginia currently. So if you're around here, especially if you're a photographer, if you have a car, anything like that, let me know. So like I was saying, I took this little time off to figure out what direction I wanted to go with the channel. The direction I am going is vlogging, and this is a car channel. So if you subscribe to my channel while I was doing sneakers and streetwear, y'all will still notice like during the videos that I have worn certain stuff. I haven't stopped buying clothes and shoes. Still very much into clothes and shoes, but this platform I want to use specifically geared towards cars, builds, my builds, even some of my friends' builds. So once my BRZ is done, I already know what's next. But I'm jumping way ahead of myself. I did just want to let y'all know I'm back. The goal is to drop 3 times a week. The channel is back up, running and booming. Goal is 10K by the end of the year. If this is your first video, make sure you subscribe. Go follow me on Instagram at Kiso Wavy with 2 O's. And yeah, man, happy to be back. I'll see y'all in the next one. I'm out.